Welcome, my name is Max Hackman, and today I'm going to show you the new single sign-on way of logging into the library. Currently, we are in the process of changing over our databases to use this new sign-on method. Not all of our databases use this new sign-on method, so the old way is still available in here. On the main page, if you come up to your account, you see you'll still need your DSC ID number and the last 4 digits to access your account. You come here, let me put in mine. This way you can see what's checked out on your account, how many loans you have out, that sort of thing. In certain databases will still need that, but say we want to search Eyes on the Street by Jane Jacobs, we can do that search right here. Let me come down and I'll show you. So if we select full text, the single sign-on is just going to be your email, as you can see. So we'll just use our email and password and we sign in like that. Nice and easy. If you have any problems with that, let us know. This is a new system we're working on, so just because you experience an error doesn't necessarily mean it's your fault. Please reach out to us through chat, email, or you can call us during our regular business hours. Thank you.